welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with like an update video or whatever. I know I actually have videos to upload for you guys and edit, but it's a little bit too much right now for me, just because I've been so busy and stuff like that. But I wanted to give you guys an update, WLS update, nails update, whatever update. Just wanted to chit chat with you guys for a little bit. Just getting out of work, and I have to actually head out a little bit earlier today, so I can at least try to spend a little bit of time with my family and then go to work. All right, so I know a lot of you guys have found me through my weight loss journey and stuff like that, and I apologize for the shakiness of the video, but just we're in a car. All right, so yeah, clearly I haven't been doing well. I did so good throughout the end of last year and even in the beginning of the year I was still doing really well, and then it pretty much went to shit. And I'm sure everyone's gonna be like, well, you know, we're going through this pandemic and, you know, the CV-19 and all that shit, and I get that, but there's like, for me, it's like no excuse for myself. I've still been working nonstop. I mean, I've had a couple hiccups here and there, but for the most part, I should have been better. You know what I'm saying? So I ended up gaining like 15 pounds in actually like a 3 to 4 week span within the month. And it's actually taken a toll on my body. I'm not gonna front, I'm not gonna lie. I have let myself go. She done gone with the wind. And I'm very disappointed in myself, but at the end of the day, it just is what it is. I'm trying to see if this thing's gonna like not right now, since the sun's like glaring and shit. I know it's fucking with the video, but anyway, I've let myself go, honey. The sun's gonna shine right in my face, ain't she? My eyes are super sensitive today. I've just been dealing with a lot of health issues from the weight gain, which is not surprising. I should know better. The problem lies with the way I've been feeling, and you know, everyone's been sick, and any symptom you have could be related to, you know, COVID, which whatever at this point. So it's not, I don't have that, but I am having my upper GI issues constantly. Like I think I spent like 2 days straight where I couldn't go to work, my day job, because all I was doing was upchucking everything or dry heaving throughout the day. I wasn't able to hold on much fluids, and then I finally was able to settle it down. I think I was just upset stomach all the way, and it was just like everything burned, everything was uncomfortable. I would hiccup every time I would eat or try to eat. It's just a constant mess on and off, and sometimes it happens to the extreme of that, and other times it's just like 1 or 2 meals for the day, or 1 meal every 2 days. But it happens. This is my life. This is what it's become, because I've been asleep now for 5 years. It's gonna be 5 years in October, and I know that my last video update was more me saying that I was gonna actually go through with the 3rd surgery, and I will be getting the gastric bypass. Now I haven't. It's funny because I'm sharing this on YouTube, where I have 27,000 subscribers. Not that many of you guys watch it, but I haven't told a lot of people in my personal life, if that makes sense. And a lot of people in my workspace don't know what I'm doing. Like, they don't need to know. It's none of their business. I'm gonna switch this up real quick. My God, the amount of fucking traffic today. And today was the reopening of our state. If you're in Connecticut, Northeast, they reopened a lot of like stores and some restaurants, and you know, but everyone's just like running a fucking mouth. But at this time, it could be a lot of people leaving from work, like I am. So whatever, we'll go with that. So it's a lot of more traffic than I'm used to dealing right now. Anyway, I digress. So a lot of my colleagues and even close people I consider to be closer with are not aware of my decision and pretty much what I have to do right now so I can live comfortably and healthier and all that. So I am working my way up from the sleeve to the gastric bypass. I have already seen my surgeon. I've already seen the cardiologist, more forcibly so after seeing him initially. I've gotten some of my testing done. I'm finishing up a couple of appointments this week, and then I think I only have one appointment left before they can actually process my paperwork for surgery, from what I'm gathering. I think I have one after the appointments for this week that I have to do. I have one nutritionist appointment to go to because my insurance doesn't require anything, but the program requires at least 2, and I'll still be maintaining some sort of contact, whether it be online, virtually, or in person. And then I have to get full clearance, and then I'm good. We're done. And she's showing off the shine on my forehead, and we don't like that. Okay, she's not even greasy. Why does someone play me like that? Anyways, so that's an update. I don't think when I spoke with you guys last that I wasn't thinking that this was going to happen so fast, because of my health issues that I've been dealing with. My gastritis, or my severe reflux, has actually created issues with my palpitations. I've had tachycardia all of a sudden. I have chest pain, and everything's good, except apparently it's linked to one another. So my severe reflux and gastritis is creating the chest pain, the palpitations. As someone that thinks they're having a heart attack when they have heartburn, I guess it's something similar to that. So that was uncomfortable, and that was quite strange for me to hear, because I was like, what? I would normally know my body better than this, so I was kind of taken aback and whatnot. So I don't know what's to come. I'm not nervous per se about just doing this. Initially if you're new to my channel and you're just watching some of my videos and you're seeing that I'm getting my surgery or whatever, this is my 3rd surgery. So, oh damn it, we were on smooth pavement. There wasn't a sound. Now it's back to sound. It's different when you're initially starting. I think you get super nervous and super excited. You don't know what the hell's going on. And then I'm a pro at this, sweetheart. This is signed, sealed, and delivered. It's the same team, the same surgeon, the same, it's just, I know it. I've just been so horrible to myself, and I'm not happy. And I know that I've been horrible to myself because it's an easy way out. It was a way for me to well, fuck it, I'm gonna throw up my food anyway, so just fucking eat all of this. Or let me eat this instead of that. And I was doing so good, guys, and I know I was, because I was documenting everything, keeping P's and Q's of how many carbs I'm eating, and if I'm doing a cheat meal. I was allowing myself all that. There was no reason for me to fuck myself up that way, but it's called self-sabotage for a reason, right? So I think I just let the stressors get to me and just kind of got lazy, and I've been feeling so weak, so unenergetic. And that's not like me. I work 2 full-time jobs. I can't be fucking myself up that way to the point that I'm making myself more exhausted than I should even be. Because people are I don't even know how you do this, working 2 full-time jobs 7 days a week. But it's been done. I've been doing it for over a year now. And me making myself sicker, me gaining and pushing on the weight so fast, which I don't know if that's normal, if that was myself doing it, or if that was something else to it that was causing the gain. I've maintained that gain. I haven't gained further than the 15 pounds, but it's pissing me off nonetheless. I don't like the way I look. I don't like the way I feel. Super stressed out about that, which is uber frustrating, because it's bitch, you know better. Just restart, just redo it. But it's mind over matter at this point, and that's really what's happening. So as of today, I restarted with, I'm not doing a complete reset because I know me. So what I did was this morning, I ate my leftover omelet, which ham, cheese, and tomatoes omelet. So I eat half of it yesterday, and I ate half of it today, and I count that as as a full omelet on my fitness pal because I want to count as much, you know, like I want to overestimate than underestimate because you're just doing yourself no justice that way. And what did I have? I did have fried chicken wings today that I counted. I haven't had much carbs. I think I've had a total of like maybe 19 grams of carbs today and under 900 and something calories. And protein, I think I've had about 50 grams of protein. And because I work tonight, I'm just going to have a protein shake. I'm going to have like, you know, like low-fat cheese and like pepperoni, like something light throughout the night because I have to go back to work in the morning, like right after my other job. So, you know, it's like weird. But at this point, I decided I stuck to it all day. They were eating like fresh bagels from like this amazing bakery today at work. They brought them for all the staff, and I'm just looking at people like, all right, whatever. This is devil's work. No, but you know, I just was like, you can't do that to yourself. You're gonna feel like shit. You're gonna kick your own ass. And I documented everything I had. If I had like a piece of a fruit, I documented. I didn't have fruit. Did I have fruit today? No, I didn't. I documented everything, and I over documented so far, so I'm fine with that. Fine with the numbers. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of like my update. Like, I'm so close. It's so weird, and I don't know when my surgery's gonna be. I know my doctor may be looking into it. I don't want to say a rush. I don't think so. I don't know. But because of the issues that I was having last week, and I was just like, yo, they messed me up. I still have bruising from my IV, actually, which I don't know if you can see that. That black and blue right there, woo, they messed me up. And I don't bruise easily at all. It was just a bad day, I guess. And it really was. But you know what? I know I have to take care of myself. Even with the issues that I'm having, even if I still throw up my food and I'm uncomfortable, which I am right now, I ate some chili and I didn't sit well. And I'm like, why did I do that to myself? Why? But it's no carbs or low carbs, and I wanted to eat something with more protein and substance. So, and I'm paying for it right now because I'm very uncomfortable. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much the update. I mean, to have such an extreme weight gain, I think, has put pressure on how I feel. Like my back, my knees, my hips, my head is pounding all the time, constant headaches all day, which I suffer from anyway, but I just know the difference. And I know that that pertains to what I'm eating, and it's not okay. You shouldn't be, first the fuck of all, asshole, douchebag, riding on my dick for no reason. The motherfucker's going nowhere fast. But anyway, I digress. Why can't I be like Bewitched and just wiggle my nose and end up where I need to be? That's it. That's all I want. Easy transport. No traffic, no bullshit, no dealings. I can have my car parked and still play with it and drive it around whenever I want to, but not with this. Anyway, that was stupid. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for an update. I feel really, really right now. Yeah, so I mean, that's it. I'm like gonna update you guys, of course, through this process. This was pretty much the fastest update that I've had to give you guys because I've had so many appointments in the last 3 weeks that I was like, how do you announce this? Like, how do you update your peoples about this? So yeah, here's your update. So I've seen pretty much all my requirements. When you do any sort of bariatric surgery, you have a program to follow with your surgeon. Some people used to back in the day. I think they've gotten stricter now. They kind of force people to learn new eating habits and try to lose some weight before surgery and definitely not gain any weight. So we not doing that. I think I've actually lost like 2 pounds from what I told my surgeon's office or the cardiac office what I weighed. So I was actually shocked. But it could just be a fluke at this point. So I definitely know I need to do better, and I am. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna update you guys weekly as I get closer to that. And I might, depending how drugged up I am, go live afterwards. I don't remember if I did that before. I know I did it on Facebook for my peeps, But I may go live. I don't know, depending how doped up I am, I may go live. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I just want to mostly give you guys an update on my bariatric surgery stuff, so, and like the gastritis and the issues that I'm dealing with my sleeve. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, especially if you're new and you're just kind of coming into this like, what the fuck. I do have a lot of old videos from the beginning of 2013 and 2012 of my like lap band journey. So I went from lap band to sleeve, and now from sleeve to gastric bypass. So the trifecta, here we are. So we'll be doing that. Yeah. And as far as my nails goes, I tried to film a fill video for you guys, and I fucking hated it. I was so pissed off. I just stopped filming. After filming for 2 hours, I just stopped filming, and that was the end of that. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. My face probably looks like shit because I've been wearing a mask all day, and I know I got lines of demarcation, but a bitch looks bronzed. Anyway, I love you guys. Bye.